center, but the atmosphere is a little different because I am cooking with kids from home. Yes, this is my actual kitchen. So what we're gonna be making today is pizza bagels. Something quick and easy, and everyone can make it. And you all know that before we get started, we have to sanitize our area and wash our hands. And I did that prior to recording the video, so we can go ahead and get started. A few things that we're gonna need: cream cheese, pepperoni, or any pizza topping of your choice. If you're a vegetarian, you can use vegetables, or if you just don't prefer pepperoni, use whatever you feel more comfortable using. Pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and of course the bagels. And I also have a piece of wax paper or parchment paper just so I can prepare on this versus having to use a counter, and it can also reduce the mess. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is take our bagels. I'm just gonna do one because I'm making this for myself. I'm gonna close the bagels back up to kind of keep everything neat. We're gonna open them and set it to the side. Now, you're also gonna need a spoon, but they're all on the dishwasher, so I'm gonna use a knife. And we're going to take a bit of the cream cheese. Just use as much cream cheese as you would like, but I am going to use a thin layer because I don't want it to overpower the actual taste of the pizza. Now, if you're not familiar with cream cheese, it is a dairy spread for breads, or you can use it during baking recipes. Now I use a thin layer, almost to the point where you can't even see it. I'm going to put the remainder of cream cheese on the second half of my bagel. And it's a thin layer. Now if you prefer more, put more. But again, it's no specific measurement. We're just trying to cover the halves so that they're covered. The next thing we're gonna do is open our cheese. And we're going to spread it all over. Now it's fine if you get cheese on the wax paper. That is why it's here. Now we're gonna put the sauce on top of the cheese. I know it's a little different from regular pizza, but again, this is a bagel. It just tastes better. And I'm gonna pour a little bit. And parents, help my kids so that they're able to not overdo it. As you can see, the jar makes a little bit of a mess. Get our pepperoni. And what I like to do is just go all the way around with my pepperoni pieces. I use about 5 per bagel side. And if you want to get jazzy, add a little Canadian bacon or bacon. Actually, any meat would work. And then we're gonna add a little bit more cheese. Just a little bit on top. And because this is a kid-friendly recipe, we're going to use the microwave. Now I know that this is bread and microwaves do not mix. So we're gonna move our pizzas to the middle of the parchment paper. I'm gonna move the knife out of my way. and we're going to put our pizzas on 10 seconds. We're gonna move it around and do 10 more seconds. We've taken our bagels out of the oven, and I'm gonna try and put it so that you all can see. And we have mini pizzas. So now we're gonna try it. And it's actually a little hot, so please be careful. Did you see that cheese melting? We're gonna try it. It tastes like a Hot Pocket. And I would place it in the microwave for another 5 to 7 seconds. And we're gonna tune back in next Wednesday for a cool, healthy snack for the kids to eat. And it's also quick and to the point. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, my name is Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, where we are family. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks. Have a nice day.